Hey everybody, it's Greg from Park Journey here. We're here at SeaWorld San Diego for Media Day for the all-new B&M dive coaster Emperor, which is opening up on March the 12th. We're still waiting to get our first rides in, but you can see here the Emperor sign. We'll have lots of footage of the coaster, obviously our POV, reverse POV, and all kinds of fun stuff here in the next few videos, so make sure you're watching, and we'll have a little bit of overview of the entry area as well.
Yeah, okay, bye.
You could run grab it.
Well, at least you enjoyed it.
Pretty comfortable. If you've been on Tatsu, it's like the Tatsu string, but it's a new adjustment. I mean, they're super comfortable. I love the desks. I know.
Amazon brush.
Yeah, but I have my car.
Just have to input them.
Yeah, I think you're good to go.
Thank you. Of course.
Glad you got it. Yeah. It's like iron. Take like 4 or 5 miles an hour. Yeah, there you go. Here, let me show you. I'm going to show you some stuff.
Everybody, it's Greg from Park Journey. We're here on Emperor at SeaWorld San Diego for our first ever ride on the newest dive machine, first B&M dive machine in California. Looking forward to having some fun on Emperor. Great view up here.
Or the water. Just Mark 2.
Yeah, it was super fun. Awesome. Lots of really good forces in the back. I think good, fun, huh? Very rewritable. Hey everybody, we just wrapped up our rides on Emperor here at SeaWorld San Diego. A super fun ride, some nice forces, very rewritable. So if you don't like the super intense stuff and you want to ride a lot of times, this is a good one for you. I really enjoyed we had 4 rides on it, back seat and front seat. Definitely a very good front seat ride since it is a floorless dive coaster, but super great addition to the park. Looking forward to getting out here obviously more often, and riding Emperor will be on our to-do list every single time we're at the park, obviously, but super fun. get out here to SeaWorld San Diego and check it out when it opens on March 12th.